absolutely hate having to cut sandpaper. These little sanders take a quarter sheet, but which way does the quarter go? It's not square, and I can never remember the orientation. What am I supposed to do? Measure the sander every time? And on this side it wraps around, so you have to calculate how much overhang you need. I just want to have fun out in the shop. I don't want to do math, or take measurements, or any of that crap. That is where this comes in. The Gator Sandpaper Cutter. There's like a pictogram on it, with all the possible shapes and sizes for sandpaper. You just match the orientation of the sheet to the picture that corresponds to the size that you want. We want quarter sheets. Then slide the sandpaper in there, line up the edge to the line that corresponds to your desired picture, right about here, and then rip it. For quarter sheets, we need to do 2 cuts, so for the second cut we rotate it around and go all the way to the back here, and then we rip it. And I think we need an instant replay on that one. Yeah, slow-mo. Rip it. And now we have a perfectly sized quarter sheet for our little quarter sheet sander. No measuring, no stupid calculations with numbers, and we didn't even have to use scissors. But it doesn't stop there. It does multiple sizes. Say we need 1/3 of a sheet. Same deal, slide it in, line it up to the picture of the 3rd sheet, and then rip it. Boom, done, 1/3 sheet. What if you got one of those old school rubber block sanders? Yeah, it works on those too. Just stick it in there and rip it. This cutter works on all of the standard sizes that you would ever need for all of your sanding implements. It even has holes for mounting screws, so you could bolt it down to your workbench. Because we all have plenty of room to bolt stuff down on our workbench, right? Or you can hang it up on the wall through this little hanger hole. That's what I did with mine. Now the Gator brand, made in USA variant that I have, I was not able to find anywhere online, so it must be discontinued. But I did find this PowerTech version on Amazon, which I'll put a link to in the video description. The PowerTech looks like it's the same thing, just made in Taiwan. At $13, it's a small price to pay to not have to measure or use scissors. In fact, I don't need these scissors anymore. Let's get rid of them. I'll never have to use them again. Yeah, and this too. Scrap it. No need to measure anything anymore either. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.